Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hub. For this example, we're told to differentiate the function below, which is the function f of x equals e to the power of 2x squared plus ln of x. Just to review, the derivative of e to the x with respect to x is equal to e to the x. Before we find the derivative of f of x, let's first simplify this function. Notice that we have a ln x term in the exponent, which we can simplify. So f of x is equal to e to the power of ln x times e to the power of 2x squared, which is equal to x times e to the power of 2x squared. And since we have a product of two functions, x and e to the 2x squared, we can apply the product rule. So the derivative of f of x, f prime of x, is equal to the derivative of x times e to the 2x squared plus x times the derivative of e to the 2x squared. We know that the derivative of x is just equal to 1 using the power rule, and using the chain rule, the derivative of e to the 2x squared is equal to the derivative of the outside function, which is e to the 2x squared, with respect to 2x squared. So that's just e to the power of 2x squared times the derivative of the inside function, 2x squared, with respect to x, and this is equal to e to the 2x squared times 4x using the power rule. So this can be written as 4x times e to the 2x squared. So putting everything together, the derivative of f of x, f prime of x, is equal to 1 times e to the 2x squared plus x times 4x times e to the 2x squared. And this is equal to e to the 2x squared plus 4x squared times e to the 2x squared. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.